In WemoFleet, users can make changes to their settings based on their preference and requirement. This can be done via the user settings. To do so, click on your account name at the top right corner of the screen and select User Settings from the drop-down menu. The user settings is split into several sections. In this example, we will look into the general settings. In the general settings, you can change the settings of your account such as the language, time zone, date format, and more. In addition to that, the general settings also allows you to choose the information about the unit that you want to show in the tooltip and work list. To do so, simply tick or untick the checkbox. Further down in the menu, you will see the option to edit the unit visualization on the map for different criterias. You may adjust these items based on your preference. Besides that, you may also choose what other items that you want to display on the map simply by clicking on the checkbox. Once done, click OK to save the changes. In the Security tab, users can change their email address, enable or disable two-factor authentication, and choose whether they want to receive email notifications about account blocking. To change the email used for authorization, type in your email address in the field provided. This email will also be used to reset your password. Additionally, you may enable the two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security for your account. You may choose to have this done via email, in which the email provided in the authorization settings will be used. Once you have chosen the email method, click on the Send Email button and check your email for the verification code. Key in the verification code and you will be notified that the verification is successful. You can also choose to be notified about account blocking via email by enabling this option. The notification for this will be sent to the email address that is specified in the User Properties section. Once this feature has been enabled, the notification will start arriving 5 days prior to blocking on a daily basis. Once done, click OK to save the changes. In the Maps tab, you may choose which map source you prefer. Once you have decided which source to use, simply click on the checkbox. Additionally, you may specify the format for displaying the address information in places such as the tooltips tools and other places. To do so, simply click on the address component you want to display. Do note that at least one of these items need to be selected. The address components can also be arranged in any order. This is done by dragging the components up or down using the arrow-shaped button. Additionally, you may set the minimum city radius as well as the maximum distance from unit based on your preferences. You may also choose which coordinate format you would prefer to use by selecting from the drop-down menu. Once any changes have been made, click OK to save it. In the Account tab, you will find the general information and statistics of your account. However, do note that this tab is only available to users who have access to these information. Under General, you will be able to see the billing plan name as well as a table with a list of available services. The 4 columns in this table are Service, which is an item list of the services allowed on your account. In Use, which shows the number of services in use. Limit, which displays the maximum number of services that can be used. A 0 indicates that the service is not available, while a dash means that there is no limit. And Reset, which indicates the frequency at which the data of the services is reset. In the Statistics tab, you can get information about service charges for the period of up to 60 days. To display the information, select the number of days, and click Show.